Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'an wa 'allamahu. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. My name is Hafiz Aamir Abbas. Right now, I'm going to take an online class. One of my students from Australia, her name Laiba. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Laiba, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you okay? And how's your family?
Fine.
Fine, very good. Okay, Laiba, so you have to start reading from this point. From this is the point is in the Lazina Amanu. So your lesson was here. Okay.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Innal ladhina amanu wal ladhina hadu wan nasara was-sabiina man amana.
Wait a minute. One Nasara. Both of these Sad and Ra letter, both of these letters having a same sign. This is sign is called Khari Zabar or vertical harka. So this Khari Zabar is actually is a stretching sign. So we have to stretch. This is a letter, okay? Sad and Ra, both of these the same signs. For same is Khari Zabar. So we have to stretch that one letters. One Nasara.
One Nasara was-sabiina man amana billahi wal yawmil akhir wa amila salihan wa lahum.
You have to make ikhfa. Make a ikhfa here. وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا. Ikhfa. Ikhfa, you can see this is a two zabar. It's called tanween. Here is a ha having a two zabar. It's called tanween. After two zabar, it's a fa is coming, and fa is from ikhfa letter. Okay. So you have to make ikhfa. Okay, now read.
All right.
Okay.
عمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم ورفعنا فوقكم الطور خذوا ما آتيناكم بقوة واذكروا ما فيه.
Read again from خذوا ما آتيناكم.
خذوا ما آتيناكم بقوة.
Wait a minute. Now you can see this is a letter, is a meme letter, right? Meme sakin, meme having a this symbol, this called is jazam symbol. So that means kun symbol. So after meme sakin, so this letter is become a meme sakin, okay? Because the meme having a this sakin sign, skun sign. Okay, so after meme sakin, the ba is coming, and I already explained you many times when a letter meme is become a sakin letter, and after meme sakin, if you found a letter ba is coming, so there will be a gunna. This is called iqlab. What is this called? Iqlab. Okay, so when a letter meme sakin, after meme sakin, if ba is coming, so that means we have to make a gunna. Gunna means you have to keep a sound in your nose, like 3 beats, 4 beats, like 3-4 seconds. So read after me. خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ. Make a gunna. After meme sakin, there is a ba letter, you have to make a gunna. آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ. Read now.
آتيناكم بقوة.
Okay.
واذكروا ما فيه لعلكم تتقون.
Good.
ثم توليتم من بعد.
Okay.
من بعد ذلك فلولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لكنتم من الخاسرين.
wait a minute, lakuntum, after mim sakin, sorry, after this ta, you can see it's going to connect with this next one meme having this tashdid sign. So this W sign is called tashdid. So you have to make a gunna. I already explained you when a letter meme or wait a minute, this letter is meme or noon letter having a tashdid sign. Okay, for example, this letter is imma and this letter is inna. This is I'm going to give you example. Okay, so this is one is when a letter meme or noon having a this tashdid sign, we have to make a gunna on these letters. Gunna means you have to keep a sound. I already explained you how to keep a sound in your nose. This is a nasalization is called. What is this called is nasalization sounds. So you have to keep in sound your minds like im, in. So same thing is this ta letter is going to connect with this meme letter. Okay, so you have to make a gunna. لَكُنْتُمْ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. Okay, read now.
تم من الخاسرين
Good.
ولقد علمتم الذين اعتدوا منكم في السبت فقلنا لهم كونوا
Kunu,
قردة
not kunu. This vowel is a sakin is coming after pesh, mean after kaf having a pesh. So this is waw madda. So waw madda, alif madda, and ja madda. I already explained you. I told you already that alif madda, waw madda, and ja madda. These are the letters are called madda letters. So when these madda letters having is coming after the pesh vowel is coming, so we have to subtract this letter. Kunu. How to read? Kunu qiradatan khasi'in.
كونوا قردة خاسئين
Okay, next.
وجعلناها نكلا لما
Naka, nakalalli. You have to stretch. Nakalalli.
نكالا لما بين يديها وما خلفها وموعظة للمتقين
وموعظة. عظة للمتقين. Okay, read next one.
وإذ قال موسى لقومه إن الله يأمركم
يأمركم. يأمركم.
يأمركم
Okay.
أن تذبحوا بقرة
Baqarah. Baqarah. This is a ta having a two zabar. When we have to stop here, you can see I already explained you this ta is a stop sign. When you have to stop it on baqaratan, so that time this ta will change into ha. Okay, will change into ha. Baqarah.
بقرة
Next.
قالوا أتتخذنا هزوا
Huzu.
قال
Huzuwa.
هزوا قال أعوذ بالله أن أكون من الجاهلين.
That's very good. Okay, Laiba, that's enough now today. So this is the one is your lesson today. You read today very good, mashallah. But still, you need to improve in your tajweed. There is a rules. You have to be familiar about these rules, and you have to memorize. These are the rules. Mean how to when you have to make a iqlab, when you have to make ikhfa and gunna and izhar, and when you have to make a gunna, especially when meme and noon having this W sign. So there will be a gunna if a meme sakin is there, and after meme sakin is ba is coming, so you have to make a gunna. So these are the rules. Still you have to improve, but overall, mashallah, you did very good. So Yasin already you memorized, and you are still improving your Surah Yasin, mashallah. It's very good. So keep it up like that, and inshallah very soon you will be able to read this Quran in beautiful way, inshallah. Okay, Raiba, see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.